হাই ফ্রেন্ডস, একেবারেই আমি চলে এসেছি এখন আইটিসি রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল হোটেলে। আর সেই আইটিসি রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল হোটেলে আজকে হিন্দি ছবি রুসলান, সেই রুসলানের সেই প্রেস কনফারেন্স আজকে হলো আইটিসি রয়্যাল বেঙ্গলে। আর আমি কভার করতে চলে এসেছি এবং এই ব্লগটা তোমরা দেখতে থাকো, আশা করছি তোমাদের খুব। আমরা সাংবাদিকরা সবাই এখানে বসে আছি, দেখতে পাচ্ছ।
I am so happy we are ending the tour of Ruslan. The Roro Ruslan tour is ending in Kolkata because I have great memories with the city. Every time I've come to Kolkata, it has always been very lovely. It has always been very warm. It has always been great. And I love coming back to the city, and it is so nice that, you know, every time we're here, we get the immense amount of love from the people. And I'm exhausted with this tour, to be honest. I am super exhausted. But coming to Kolkata is the last thing that just gave us that boost, you know.
Yes, from the last 7 days, the team already have been throughout India. They are visiting tours. And now Sushri, how are you feeling today by visiting the city of Kolkata? This is the first time visit, or you have visited yet?
No, I have visited Calcutta before. So I'm from Orissa, and the culture of Orias and people from Calcutta is so much similar that whenever I come to Calcutta, it feels like I'm back home. The food feels like home with all the mustards and everything. So I kept eating the pedas in the room and the rasagullas, which I'm sure my trainer will not be very happy about. But बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि हम रोड ऑफ रुसलान का जो टूर है हम यहाँ पे एंड कर रहे हैं. आप सबकी एनर्जी इतनी फैंटास्टिक है that like Ayush said, it is the perfect boost that we all needed. Thank you.
The team is already a poster because you can see in the picture that they're in the AK-47 and the runner gun and all of this, right? I was asking कि इन्होंने किस तरीके से एक हाथ से पकड़ लिया. You can see this, right? So what is the most क्या बोलूं जिसको मतलब challenging, the most challenging scene for this movie? Most challenging scene.
I think for me, the most challenging scene was being bare-chested in -6 degrees. And fighting, doing action while it was -6 in Azerbaijan. I have huge respect for all the women who used to dance in saris in Switzerland because it is not easy. And that was the time when I genuinely wanted to give up and I wanted to say, I am so tired. But I think the experience of doing that and finally seeing it cinematically, you forget the pain, you forget the shivers that went down you. When it comes on the big screen, but that for me personally, that was the most challenging thing.
প্রোগ্রামের শেষে আমরা সাংবাদিকরা সবাই লাঞ্চ করছি, তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ।